Hello everyone. We are here to touch upon the topic of MySQL versus Oracle databases. Introduction to RDBMS. We all are familiar that RDBMS stands for Relational Database Management System. RDBMS systems are based on relational model that organizes data into groups of tables referred to as relations. There are three popular types of RDBMS: the Oracle, MySQL, and SQL Server. Oracle databases. IBM was the first company to develop RDBMS. However, Oracle company made history in 1980 by releasing its RDBMS for commercial use. According to Gartner, Oracle owned nearly 50% of the RDBMS market in 2011. In addition to opening up the commercial market for RDBMS, the Oracle Corporation also was the first company to develop a commercial level version of SQL that was designed to manipulate data in a RDBMS using queries and joins. Now, I would like to touch upon the different types of Oracle databases. The first one is the Enterprise Edition or EE. It is most powerful with a vast array of tools and features for a large corporation. Standard Edition contains the basic database management functions for small and medium-sized shops at a far lower cost than the Enterprise Edition. Then comes the Standard Edition 1 or the SEO. Oracle SEO is specially priced for single CPU servers used by small businesses. The Express Edition is used at an entry level. It has a small footprint database to develop, deploy, and distribute. Now, I would like to move forward and talk about MySQL databases. Microsoft SQL Server entered the RDBMS market as a serious competitor in the mid-1990s when Microsoft purchased it from Sybase and then released version 7.0. The companies originally worked together to develop the platform to run on the IBM OS 2 platform. Microsoft SQL Server version 4.2 was its initial release. MySQL is a powerful and most popular open source software relational database management system that uses SQL or structured query language. Previously, MySQL was developed, distributed, and supported by MySQL AB, then acquired by Sun Microsystems, and now since January 2010 is acquired by Oracle Corporation. There are different types of MySQL databases. The first one is MySQL Community Server. This is a freely downloadable version of the world's most popular open source database that is supported by an active community of open source developers and enthusiasts. MySQL Enterprise Edition has commercial customers who have the flexibility of choosing from multiple SQL editions to meet the specific businesses and technical requirements. So what is the difference between the Community Server and the Enterprise Edition? The only difference is in its added support and tools. The server is same, but Enterprise Edition gets updated more frequently and it is stable with quick bug fix support.
Next, we would talk about the difference between the MySQL and Oracle databases. The difference lies in many different aspects, which including the price, the purpose, the database security, the SQL syntax, the storage, the running programs and external program support, the character data types, the extra features, temporary tables, type of backup, and the usage of Oracle and MySQL databases. First comes the price. This is the most notable difference between the two databases. MySQL is an open source database and is completely free of cost. However, it will cost you tens of thousands of dollars to obtain a full-featured standard edition or enterprise edition of Oracle. Oracle has something called Oracle Express Edition, and this edition is completely free of cost. However, there are a limited amount of features available in this edition. Next is the purpose. Oracle is targeted towards large organizations handling very large databases and towards organizations requiring secure applications. MySQL can also work for large organizations or secure applications, such as the Facebook, but still Oracle is better built and has more features suited for these scenarios. MySQL is more popular in websites and PHP integration. Oracle is popular in large databases like banking, ERP, insurance, or finance companies. Next is the database security. MySQL uses three parameters to authenticate a user, which includes username, password, and location. However, the Oracle uses so many security features like username, password, profiles, local authentication, external authentication, advanced security enhancements, etc. And there are also differences in the SQL syntax. Oracle provides more flexibility for programming language called procedural language SQL. And besides, Oracle database supports several programming languages which can be written, compiled, and executed from inside the database. And it also supports XML for transferring data. MySQL, on the other hand, does not support other languages being executed from within the system, and it has limited XML support. Next is the storage. MySQL does not have extensive storage features like table space, packages, and many others, while the Oracle has a very extensive storage features which supports table space, packages, and all other features. Next is the extra features for both MySQL and Oracle. MySQL does not have audit vault features in the server. However, Oracle provides audit vault facility. Oracle Audit Vault collects audit data from multiple databases and then consolidates this data in a set of audit reports. Oracle Audit Vault collects audit data from databases, organizes the data, and then provides a variety of reports that satisfy standard compliance regulations. The policies and alerts features help you to detect security threats to an Oracle database. For example, an alert can notify the client when a system administrator tries to view sensitive application data such as the employees' salaries.
Now comes the character data types comparison. MySQL supports only two character types, namely char and varchar. Oracle, on the other hand, supports four character types, namely char, nchar, varchar2, and nvarchar2. Type of backup in MySQL and Oracle. Oracle provides different type backup facilities like cold backup, hot backup, export, import, data pump. Oracle offers most popular backup utility called the Recovery Manager or RMAN. Using RMAN, we can automate our backup scheduling and recovery database using very few command or stored scripts. MySQL has MySQL dump and MySQL hot copy backup utilities. There is no utility like RMAN in MySQL. Now comes the temporary tables. In MySQL, temporary tables are visible only within the current active session. When the session expires, the temporary tables are removed automatically. In Oracle, temporary tables are persistent across sessions. The temporary table has to be explicitly removed by the user. The usage of Oracle and MySQL databases. MySQL is most popular in websites and PHP integration. Oracle is popular in large databases like banking, ERP, insurance, finance companies. Popular ERP uses Oracle as backend database example, SAP. Oracle has own ERP called as e-business suite. Now I would like to conclude saying that Oracle is much more versatile than MySQL. Oracle can run and handle more transactions than MySQL and therefore would be better if you are going to have lots of database usage. MySQL takes up resources that affects the server load. Oracle, on the other hand, is better with memory usage and handles multiple threads. Oracle is expensive, although they came out with Oracle Free Edition to attract MySQL users. Oracle is limited to large corporations due to licensing costs, and not all hosting companies have Oracle. Oracle's tools make database backups very fast and reliable. MySQL team aims to keep their database engine fast and reliable by managing the trade-offs between speed and capabilities. So how will the migration from MySQL to Oracle take place? As the company grows, Oracle may be a better fit. There are multiple migration tools which are now available. Companies may use both Oracle and MySQL. Thank you.